Now let me clear one mental problem everyone has. You cannot fail in QNet. I'm not saying this to motivate you. I'm saying this logically. Alright? The rule of network marketing is you sign up. You have a tracking center. That tracking center will pay you when you achieve 3000 BV on the left, 3000 BV on the right, correct? You all know this? Put up your hands. Yes or no? Yes. Congratulations. You know the comp plan. Alright? So if you get 6000 BV, you get more money. Alright? You get 21,000 BV, you even make more money. Is that how you understand it? Yes or no? So when somebody says they failed in network marketing, they failed in QNet, I always ask them, how? Is your tracking center still there? Yes, Chief. When you get 3,000 and 3,000, will you get paid? Yes, Chief. So how did you fail? You did not fail. You cannot fail. The only way somebody fails in network marketing is when they quit, when they give up. That's the only way people fail. So our goal in life is to strengthen the voice of don't quit. Because I guarantee you, and I'll sign a document and give you, if you don't quit, you will make it. So if you look at everyone on stage, they tell you amazing stories. They told you stories of how they flew to different countries, how they signed up their relatives, friends, and overcame challenges. But do you know exactly why they are on stage? One answer: they didn't quit. They did not quit. Are you guys with me? So the battle you face is, however loud the voices of others become, you don't quit. You stay strong. You keep going one day after another day and another day and another day and another day, and you never switch off. Are you guys with me? You know? So this battle, this theory that people fail in network marketing is not true. Nobody can fail. And the morons who say this business doesn't work, alright, it does work. Okay, it's proven. 21 years QNet has been paying commission, alright, okay, to people all around the world. Some earn small commission, some earn medium commission, and some earn huge commissions. Are you guys with me now? And that's been going on for 21 years. So does the business work? Yes. You have only two goals in this business. Alright? Never give up. First goal. Alright? And the second goal, whatever challenges come, program your mind. Accept it. Do you understand? Because as Dato Sri and shared the other night about Gandhiji, why do you give so much power to people who don't do anything for you? Do you understand? See, if your mother who looked after you all these years is trying to tell you that you're making a mistake, I would sit down and try to explain to her. Alright? But a stranger, a relative, an uncle, the newspaper, all these morons, why? Why do you empower them? This is your life. If you are broke tomorrow, who's going to give you money? If you are sick tomorrow, who's going to come to the hospital? If you are in trouble tomorrow, who can you count on? Why do you allow them to weaken you? Why do you allow them to stop you from getting closer to your dream? And that is your mistake. Don't blame anyone else. This is your life. Do you understand? One day you're going to die. It's going to happen. That's one guarantee in life. You're born, you're going to die. Are you guys with me? But before you die, all right, you want to live life, then live it to the fullest. Embrace it. Take this journey and maximize it. All right? No more fear. Repeat after me. No more fear. No more fear. No more fear. So whatever happens, whatever people say, can you promise me you will follow my philosophy? My philosophy is, I don't care. I love it. All right? And when you show people this attitude, they stop telling you things. So let's talk about your dream. How many of you are serious about your dream? All right? How many of you found a dream you're willing to fight for? You're willing to die for? A dream that means everything to you. How many of you? All right? Very good. Put your hands down. Firstly, your journey in network marketing, like Dave Wadhwani mentioned, is not counted how long you are in this business. I got people 10 years in the business, haven't earned any money. I know my friends who are 20 years in the business, haven't earned any money. Do you know why? Monday, they give 2%. Tuesday, they're excited, 10%. Wednesday message, 51%. Thursday, 0%. Friday, all right, 6% of effort, commitment. Now, what Dave Wadhwani said is very true. How long you have been in this business in reality is based on the number of days you have given 100%. And I'm not talking time. So if you are part-time, it's okay. As long as the time in the business, you give 100%. So if you are 1 year in the business, do you know that it's possible that in 365 days, you only give 1 day 100%? Possible or not? Possible or not? See, you cannot answer, you know. Is it possible? Yes or no? So the reason why you are not maxing out, the reason why your check is not bigger, right, than it is right now, the answer is very simple. You are not giving enough days of 100%. 100%. Not enough. 100%. Let's decide how to achieve 100%. It's very easy. First, prioritize. In your life today, you know where QNet is? God, number one. Yes, agreed or not? Yes. Agreed, yes or no? Yes. Family, number two. Yes or no? Yes. Which family? Your cousin, your third cousin, your cousin's wife's auntie, your veterinary doctor's son's wife's cousin. Who is this family that is more important than you focusing on business? Alright? So for me it's very simple. It's God, family, QNet. This is how I live. God, family, QNet. God, family, QNet. God, and my family is very small. You are my family right now. Do you understand? Alright? Do you love your system that you follow in your country? Meeting your uplines? Power of association? Learning new things? But all of this is useless. It's like, you know, water off a duck's back. It's like water under a bridge. It's like a hobby if you don't do the most important activity, which is presentación. So grow up. Wake up and smell the coffee. You are not here to hold hands and sing Kumbaya. You didn't come to VCon just to dance. You came to VCon to increase your belief, to solve your questions, to clear any doubt, to become stronger before you go back. But with all this belief, with all this strength, with all this power, with all these answers, what are you going to go back and do? What are you going to go back and do? What are you going to do with all this belief, all this knowledge, all this power, all this inspiration, everything? What are you going to do when you go back to your country? One thing, if you forget everything I've said, I've spoken so much this week on. If you forget everything, I will not be hurt. I'm still okay. If I ask you, do you remember what I said on day one? No, Chief. Doesn't matter. But please, I'm begging you. I'm begging you. Right? Remember this. There is only one answer to all your problems. There is only one answer to prove them wrong. There is only one answer to make your dreams become a reality. There is only one answer that will bring you up on this stage. There is only one answer that will allow you to change more lives. And that is presentación. Repeat after me. Presentación. 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 Now, who to do presentation to? This is a big question, you know. Everyone asks, Chief, my name list. Everyone I approach, they already heard the news. They read the newspaper. I can't tell them it's QNet. I have to do something else. No problem. Tell them whatever you have to tell them, lah. You understand? The rule is get them to the table. Get them to the table. This is my rule. Get them to the table. That's the only thing. Once you get them to the table, tell them the truth. But they are face to face, so you can handle it. I have one rule. Show the presentation to everyone and anyone. Get them to the table. The only reason they say no to you, even to come to the presentation, because your voice on the phone, alright, your energy on the phone is already telling them to say no. Do you realize when you call people to invite them, you already know they're going to say no, you know. You know. Correct? You pick up the phone and say, hey, listen, I got something to show you. Are you free tomorrow? No? Okay, I knew it. Why? Nobody has ever said no to me to come and see the presentation. Do you understand? So you must become better at invitation. You must become more creative to invite people. Alright? Then they will come. If your market is a tough market, then you have to be more creative. The easier market, less creative. Are you guys with me or not? But once they come in front of you, tell them the truth. Don't lie. Alright? Tell them the truth. At least you do the presentation. Then they say no. It's okay. I don't care. I love it. You go to the next one. Presentation is the answer. I swear to you guys, if you don't do this, if you don't love this part of QNet, you cannot succeed. Don't love everything and hate this. Don't do everything and avoid this. If you avoid this, you die. You understand? You will be running around doing many other things which will not give you commission. That means your dreams cannot be a reality. Then if you don't earn commission, the voices that say please quit is louder. You understand? When your commission becomes louder, their voice becomes smaller. Are you guys with me now? Yes or no? When your commission becomes higher, that noise becomes softer. Yes or no? Yes. And the only way to get your commission higher is Every step I take, you say presentación. When I say no, you say I don't care, I love it. No. 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 This one we say max out. Are you guys with me? Are you ready? When you come back to the next VCon and I ask this question, promise me, when I asked you, how many of you did a presentation yesterday, who's going to put up their hands? The day before that? 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 Put your hands down. The answer to everything is presentation. Trust me. Don't fear it. Love it. Embrace it. Do it. If you get rejected, stay strong. It's part and parcel of your journey. I came here on this stage after 1,000 rejections. All right? Every V partner, minimum 1,000 rejections. Dato Sri Vijay, Jayaprakash Bismarck, 10,000 rejections. So every time you get a rejection, you're one step closer to this stage. That's what you think. Are you guys with me?